Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Facebook dating. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, normally when you go ahead over to the three lines right here at the top left, okay, and then just tap on see more in this section, you'll be able to see dating. Well, this one is Facebook dating. All you got to do is just tap on it and then go ahead and tap on get started and follow simple prompts to activate the Facebook dating app. Now, what if you don't have this option or you don't have Facebook dating right here? Okay, so what you can do, I'm just going to go ahead and log into another account which doesn't have the Facebook dating or Facebook dating feature. Right here, I'm going to go through the same exact page, see more. As you can see, Facebook dating is not available. So why is that? Basically, this account right here is relatively new, okay? And I'm not using it daily or frequently. Also, to access Facebook dating, you must be at least 18 years old. Again, at least 18 years old. And then on top of that, your Facebook account must be in good standing in at least 30 days, okay? Or your account is 30 days old, at least. Also, do you live in one of these countries? Okay, I'm just going to show you right here. You can go out and pause the video if you want to check it out. All right. There you go. Now, as it states here, Facebook may restrict which accounts can access dating. If you can't access or no longer have access to dating, it might be because you aren't 18 or older. You have a new or an active account, or you went against the Facebook Terms of Service and Community Standards, or any other policies. All right, that's basically it. That is how you activate Facebook dating. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.